Alright, so what's up, you guys? I'm just getting out of work here. Hopefully the audio is good. Oh, look, there's a biker right there. Hopefully the audio is good. Although I got a feeling it might be distorting a little bit. I'm gonna try doing this. Maybe. I don't know. Well, anyways, hopefully it's good. If not, then of course I'm just not gonna post this. Seeing as how I think I just ran a red light. Anyways, what's up, you guys? So we're gonna be doing something a little different today, since you know, we still don't know what to do with this channel. We're just gonna, you know, try something new, see what sticks. So I'm gonna be motovlogging with you guys today on this nice and cool night. You know, it's beautiful. I wish there was a little more light out, so you guys, you know, would have more of what am I thinking of? Like ambiance to look at? No, ambiance is more like text. Nah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I've been thinking about this topic because mainly I'm trying to get my brother to start riding motorcycles, but also, like, I don't know, people are always complaining about how there's not enough riders out in the world. So I figured I'd make a video on why you should start riding motorcycles like the pros. Everybody tells you the cons, like, yeah, they're dangerous, quote unquote dangerous. Not really, they're not really that dangerous, but what's another con people put? I think they just say that it's dangerous, right? I don't know. Anyways, I wrote these down. Well, I put them on my phone. However, I can't have my phone out. So I'm gonna try to go say them by memory, because I wrote down 5 reasons. But obviously, if I can't remember them, then I'll just have to pull over and look them up again. But yeah, reason number 1 to why you should become a motorcycle rider. If you're a car guy and if you're those people that are like, I only ride stick shift because it makes me one with the machine, you know what I mean? If you're one of those people, like, oh, I feel closer to the machine, dude, the motorcycle is literally, you have an engine in between your legs. Like, you can't be more part of the machine. On a car, you just got the steering wheel, the clutch, and the stick shift. On a motorcycle, you're using all your limbs. You got your left hand on the clutch, your right hand on the front brake, your front brake. You need your left foot or your right foot on the rear brake, and then your left foot is on the shifter. Like, come on, you can't be more of a part of a machine. You use your entire body to, like, maneuver the bike. You know, you push the counter steer, but you have to lean with your whole body. Like, yeah, you are the machine, essentially. Right? So that's reason number 1. If you're one of those people that are like, oh, I must be a part of my machine, then there's no better machine to be a part of than a motorcycle. You're just engine on wheels in between your legs, vroom vroom. You know what I mean? Anyways, reason number 2, let's say if you're those speed junkies that I just have to have a fast car, right? You hear that from like the Honda people, like, oh, I have to have a Civic that can be 0 to 60 in at least 10 seconds. I don't know, as I'm saying with a Honda right in front of me. Dude, literally like half the bikes in production are 3-second bikes. You know what I mean? Like probably the vast majority of motorcycles can do 0 to 60 in like under 3.5 seconds. My motorcycle can do that in like I think the fastest I've done 0 to 60 is probably like 4 seconds. And I'm not even a professional. I'm just a guy that rides. You know what I mean? We'll see if we can try a 0 to 60 in a bit. Right now, people are getting out of work, so there's a lot of traffic. But you know, motorcycles, speed is irrelevant. In cars, people get excited. Oh, I hit 100 miles an hour today. Oh my gosh, it was so intense. I went over 3 digits. It's like, dude, on a motorcycle, by law, it has to be limited to 180 miles an hour. You can put a tune in it to get rid of that governor, but by law they have to be limited at 180 miles an hour. Like, I probably hit 100 miles an hour on my bike on the daily. Like, it's nothing. I'm of course in a closed track, you know what I mean? In theory, in Minecraft, I hit 100 miles an hour in Minecraft. But like, yeah, like motorcycles, speed is irrelevant. When you say, oh, I want a fast bike, it's like, okay, yeah, they're all fast. You know what I mean? People don't look for fast bikes. In motorcycling, depends on what you're looking for. Like, for example, my cruiser, excuse me, like my cruiser, it's meant for comfort and speed. You know what I mean? You can get a super bike that can probably get you 0 to 60 in 2 seconds. You can get a naked bike, which is also comfortable, but it can tear up canyons. You know what I mean? Like, my cruiser scrapes when you take turns too fast. So if you want to carve up canyons, you could take a naked bike. Honestly, in the motorcycling world, sometimes you want a slow bike. Like, I see a bunch of people taking like the R3s or the Ninja 300s and carving up canyons on that, because they're so light and flickable. You could actually keep up, if not outpace, someone on a faster bike in the canyons. You know what I mean? Like, a professional can easily outmaneuver on a smaller bike. Alright, sorry, let me rephrase that. A professional on a 300cc can easily outmaneuver a newbie in a 1000cc or a 600cc. You know what I mean? It's not about speed. Anyways, that was what, reason number 2? Shoot, what else was there? I had them in an order. whatever, I'll just go out of order. Reason number 3, we'll just say, you know, the gear. Like, people are always like squidding about, like, well, if you don't know motorcycling terms, a squid is someone who goes out riding with no gear, basically. Goes out like popping wheelies with just a t-shirt and jeans or shorts. But like, honestly, like, there's nothing like having good gear. You know what I mean? Like, everybody looks good in a leather jacket, whether it's like, you know, real leather or faux leather. You know, that's up to you. Like, you can have your cruelty-free leathers. I don't judge. Well, I mean, like, I guess you shouldn't judge me. I don't know how that works. I'm not woke enough. But yeah, dude, like, everybody looks good in a motorcycle jacket. Everybody looks good in motorcycle jeans or pants. I don't know. Reason number 3 is gear. I really like my gear. Reason number 4 is, I mean, like, you're free, dude. You're out in the open. Like, look around me. There's no cage. Like, there's nothing to impede your view. Like, a lot of people like going out to the beach for a cruise, going out in the canyons, and like, there's no A pillars, there's no D pillars to obstruct your view. There's no windshield. Like, you gotta clean all the time. I mean, I guess you gotta clean your visor, but I don't know. There's something free about it. Like, you're in the middle of the freeway and you look over and like you can touch the car next to you. You don't, because it's probably against some kind of law, but you could if you wanted to. Of course, you know, you really shouldn't. Anyways, that's probably a bad reason. What was that? Reason number 3? 4? Oh man, I'm losing count. How many reasons did I say I was gonna do? 5. Oh, I remember one of the reasons I stated on my list was fuel mileage, dude. Like, this is a 1.7 liter engine. I'm on the T-Bird 1700 Triumph T-Bird 1700, which is bigger than my Honda engine. the engine on my Civic. Actually, no, it's slightly smaller. The engine on my Civic is a 1.8 liter. This is a 1.7 liter. Anyways, that's besides the point. They're similar sized engines, and yet on my Honda I get probably like 28 miles to the gallon, when on this thing I get like close to 50, depending on how much I'm accelerating, you know. Gas mileage all depends on this hand right here, right? But yeah, like, I get 200 miles to a tank. Like, my tank's still kind of full. It says 152. Wow, hold on. Oh, that time's probably wrong now. It says 150 miles to the gallon. Or no, not miles to gallon. Miles to empty. 150. And that's just one bar down. I don't know. I'm writing right now. I can't really see. But yeah, like, usually I get like around 200 miles to the tank, and it's like $12 to fill it up. in California, where gas is like $4 a gallon. You know what I mean? Actually, I haven't checked lately. I don't know how much gas is, but you know, it gets good gas mileage. Is all I'm saying. And I mean, honestly, it's freaking cool. Are you going or not? And I mean, honestly, it's freaking cool. Like, there's not one person that does not feel cool on a motorcycle. On a scooter, that's something else. But on a motorcycle, like, come on, dude. There exists no uncool motorcycle. Like, whether you're on an R3 or an R1, they're all equally as awesome. Whether you're on a Honda Rebel or a Harley Fat Bob, you know what I mean? Or I don't know. They're all, I guess there's no exit here. They're all equal in terms of awesomeness. You dick. I was supposed to go. What are you doing? I think you can park there, dude. Anyways, like the guy Sean from SRK Cycles says, it don't matter where. No, what does he say? It don't matter what you're riding, just where you're going. Which, like, come to think of it now, that doesn't really make that much sense. Why does it matter where you're going? I'm not even sure that's what he says. I'm gonna have to double check that one. But yeah, dude, like, it don't matter what you're riding, like, as long as you're having a good time. And I'm telling you, dog, a motor on two wheels is always gonna be a good time. Then, you know, like, you're good, you're chilling, dog. What was that? I think that was like, I think I mentioned six reasons. Is there any other way I can make it sound cooler? You literally have a bunch of explosions, multiple explosions happening in between your legs. Makes it sound like you're farting. I'll be honest, I hope the audio to this one is pretty good, because this is the best video so far. I feel like it's going good. Oh. This is why you shouldn't go too fast, guys. Oh, you know what? I got an idea. Oh, I just thought of another pro. Like, what would this be? Number 7? Oh, I thought that was me for a second there. What would that be? Number 7? Yeah. Reason number 7, you should get a bike. Well, actually, here, let me see if I can do a quick 0 to 60. Hopefully there's not that much traffic right now. granted, I am gonna have to be doing a left turn. So, all right, ready, set, go. Whatever. There. That was probably the worst one ever. But yeah. Look at that, just a cheeky 100. I'm telling you, it's a daily on a bike. I mean, no, I did not just hit 100. Anyways, oh, I didn't even check my saddlebags are closed. Okay, they are. So it is kind of cold today, so that's probably understandable on why not a lot of people are out. But man, I like the cold. Cold is some good riding weather. It sucks when you're like outside, like sweating your ass off. Oh shoot. Did I even bring my phone today? No. Okay, my phone connected, but where's my phone? No. Ah, shoot. Did my phone connect? Oh, I really hope I didn't drop my phone. Oh, I really hope I didn't drop my phone. I guess that's one con. If you don't zip up your pockets, you could end up dropping your phone. Let's hope that did not happen. There's nothing here. That's my wallet. At least I have my wallet. Well, guys, let's hope I left my phone at home and it didn't just fall out of my pocket. Because if it did, I swear you guys are gonna see a grown man cry. Oh man. Hey, like right in front of the Scientology building. Anyways, I won't let that ruin my ride. We won't find out till we're home, right? Where was I? Oh yeah. Reason number, what was I, 7? We'll just say bonus reasons. Why you should get a bike. Yeah. They're cheap. What can I say? Do you want a brand new that thing, whatever that is, like a Yaris for 20 grand? Or do you want a brand new MT10 for 10 grand? You know what I mean? Like, that's shitty as hell, and an MT10 is like top of the line. Like, I want one. That's the first thing that came to mind. Anyways, let's say you're like me and you like to go from 0 to speed limit as fast as possible. You know, because, you know, we really like to follow the law, right? So we want to get to that speed limit fairly quickly, you know, since being slower than the limit is just as bad as being over the limit. Anyways, let's say you like to follow the limit. You can get yourself what, like a $60,000 Corvette, $40,000 Camaro, $40,000 Mustang, or you can get yourself like an $8,000 MT-07 that can smoke any of those. But yeah, you can get yourself a Camaro, you can get yourself a Mustang, you can get yourself a Vet, you can get yourself, what else can you get yourself? I'm not much of a car guy. Or you can get yourself an MT-07 that can smoke those. You can get yourself a ZX6R, a Sex 3 Sex, all for like under $8,000. Yeah, just some stuff to think about. Bikes are way better than cars. Don't think about it, just accept it. Oh well, I think that'll be it, guys. Like I said, I'm just trying something new for our channel. Honestly, I'm just trying to get my brother to ride, because if we can do that, I bet you we can put out some amazing content. Since because of coronavirus, I can't really do much with my riding buddies, but if I were to get my brother to ride, then that'd be a different story. Not only would it be a different story, I bet you it'd be a better one. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you like this, then let us know. If you don't, then let us know. And that'll be it. Deuces.